Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by accessing zoom settings because that's where the magnification controls live. Make sure your watch has a current OS and enough battery. Unstable power can interrupt changes. On the watch, tap Settings, then Accessibility, then Zoom. If you prefer the iPhone, open the Watch app, select My Watch, then Accessibility and Zoom. You're doing this now to reach the zoom toggle and the zoom region controls. Once you see them, you can switch the feature off or adjust scale. Once you're in zoom settings, focus on the slider and the mode choice because those change how much you see. Move the zoom slider left to reduce magnification. This is the primary way to zoom out. You can also switch from full screen zoom to window zoom so only a portion of the screen magnifies, which feels less cramped. Make sure to test by pinching or double tapping with 2 fingers to confirm the new scale before leaving settings. This validates your adjustments. Finish by testing the behavior in real use. Double tap with 2 fingers to toggle and pinch to adjust window size. If zoom still feels too close or unresponsive, restart the watch because a reboot often clears gesture recognition issues. Make sure zoom is fully off if you want normal view. Toggle it off in accessibility. If problems persist, reset zoom settings or update the watch OS. Those steps fix corrupted preferences and ensure gestures behave as expected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.